like these messages are written or not there, and etc. Connection with database software is established. While performing unit testing, if test result is what? Negative, we need to debug the code to know the reason. In that process, log messages are useful for developers or not there. Super. While fixing the bugs given by tester, the developers needs to know state of application execution. That needs the support of log messages or not there. That definitely needs the support of log messages. What do you say, guys? After releasing project, we get what? Production bugs from client's organization given by what? End user through on-site team. Through what? On-site team. The offshore team members uses log messages to know the state of execution when bug was raised. Through what? Log messages. While fixing the bugs, these log messages are very, very important or not there. Okay, see. After releasing the project to client organization, software company location is called offshore or offsite location. Client organization location is called on-site or onshore location. Okay, this is offshore location. This is what? On-site location. Come on, my dear. If the project is in-house project, then offshore and on-site locations are same. TCS Hyderabad dealing with what? Telangana government project. Then both locations will be same in what? Hyderabad city. Just before releasing the project to the team, divide into two parts. One is on-site team, other one is what? Offshore team. On-site team goes to client organization location, receives the project, install the project, make sure that project running is smoothly and stays there, and small bugs at what? On-site will be resolved by on-site team or not there. And that two time zones also different, na boss? Because suppose client is US client. So US daytime is our night time. So we cannot completely depend upon offshore team to fix the problems, right? So that's why there should be one team staying in US working according to US time zones, so that any small problem they can be resolved immediately in what? On-site itself, right guys? Offshore team is supporting team to what? On-site team. Any big problem that will be reported to offshore team that is there in India, so they will slowly take up the problem and they will fix the problem or not there. And for both people, without knowing what code executed at the time of bug rising, what lines executed, which method executed, which line not executed, which line executed, how they can fix the problem? They cannot fix the problem. For that one, they need to take the support of what, guys? For that one, they definitely need to take the support of what, guys? Log messages a lot are not there. Definitely log messages are required or not required, guys? Okay, guys, no doubt in that. Super. What is the difference between logging and debugging? What is the difference between logging and debug? Logging keeps track of code flow. Debugging also gives code flow. When you go for debugging, you might have noticed, at least in C language, you have seen F7, F8, line by line execution, you might have seen now, guys. Same debugging is possible in Java also through IDE. I don't know whether you studied or not. If not studied, you will study in the coming classes. Debugging will give live flow. Live, you can feel immediately. Logging will record the flow. If not today, after 1 month also, you can open and feel the flow. Because generated messages are recorded into files, recorded into database, recorded into some other place. So we can open the messages and we can feel it now, boss. Debugging is live code flow. We can feel live. But see, I will tell why recorded messages are required. Now, every time live flow is not enough. I'll tell one small use case. You have gone to one chappal shop. What is the shoe showroom? Footwear. Okay, fine. Sorry. Bata footwear. Okay. After trying 10 20 pairs of shoe or chappal, whatever it is, you liked one pair, you purchased it, and you have used your credit card for payment, right? Okay. The shop vendor said, I did not receive the payment, but in your mobile, payment deducted. But he is saying that I did not receive the message, and in the receipt also, it is showing not received. Fine, but you cannot, but he is insisting for the payment. What you did is, you paid by cash. You paid by cash. But after coming home, if you look at the messages and bank statement, okay, that money is deducted. 5,000, whatever amount is deducted, right? So when money got deducted, you will get angry. You have visited what call center. They said, okay, that's a stupid SBI bank. They said, we are taking your query. We are giving, what is that? Query number also, or whatever request number also. But it's better to visit the branch as early as possible to resolve the problem. Okay. You are a busy man. To give call to call center, 2 days time is taken. After that, you have taken 1 week time to visit the branch. They ask you to write the letter. You have taken another 2 days time to write the letter. You submitted letter. So that has gone. That letter has gone to what? Okay, head office from branch by taking another 1 week time. But a slow process. SBA means slow process, right? Okay, from head office it has come to on-site team by taking 1 week time. On-site team said that it's a big problem we cannot solve and it need permanent solution. They refer to offshore location. It has taken another 1 week time. Nearly one and a half month is completed before problem reached to what? Offshore team. Offshore team, one day that chance has come to fix the problem. He will ask one thing, I am ready to fix the problem, but tell me what is the state of execution on that particular day. If it is debugging, can we get old flow, guys? We can feel live flow, right? Yes or no, na, guys? Only logging activities only will record the messages to log file. By opening log file of that particular day or same log file by going to that date, we can see what happened when this user has done that transaction. Which method executed, which method not executed, which line executed, which line not executed. Okay, then we analyze the problem, then we can fix the problem or not. Got it? Yeah, very simple, boss. Okay. Debugging gives the flow, no doubt, but it will live flow, immediate flow only. If you want to get the old flow, you have to add logging to the project or not there. You definitely need to add logging facility to the project or not there. We definitely need to add logging facility to the project or not there, guys. I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Using login, we can keep track of application flow, and that flow related log messages can be used for what? Long time to fix the bugs and issues that are found in project project test, and live project testing and live project. Project testing and live project. And in what? Live project. Using debug, we can understand what? We understand We understand. We understand current code flow of execution to resolve the errors and to improve the code for betterment. Using logging activity, we can also do lots of what? Debugging on the code that are executed what? Long back. Array, if I tell in a simple words, okay, debugging is like live counter food. Like you order dosa, they prepare dosa in front of you, they serve, right? And logging is like, okay, it's like packaged food, guys. Your favorite noodles are there, na? Noodles is everyone's favorite? Huh? No? Array, noodles, ice cream, chocolates, pani puri. If these four are there, this department don't need any food also. Aisa no na? Especially 33%. And for boys, how much they eat, they dil mange more kind of. Yes or no na? So for girls, these four are enough as according to me. Am I right? Yes? Yes. All unhealthy foods.